Hi, Alex. Nice to see you here at the movie theater. I want to watch a movie this weekend. Can you help me practice English before I buy a ticket?
Hi, Sophia. Of course I can help you. This is a great place to practice simple English. We can go step by step together.
Thank you, Alex. I feel a little nervous because I do not buy movie tickets in English often. I want to speak clearly and use easy words.
That is okay, Sophia. Simple English is the best way to start. First, you can ask about the showtimes and the movies playing today.
Good idea. What can I say if I want to know the movie times? I want a sentence that is easy to remember.
You can say, "What time does this movie start?" You can also say, "What movies are playing this evening?" Both are short and very useful.
Let me try. What movies are playing this evening? And what time does the action movie start?
Very good. That sounds natural and clear. If the clerk answers fast, you can also say, "Sorry, can you say that again?"
Oh, that is very helpful. Sometimes people speak too fast for me. I need a polite way to ask again.
Yes, and that sentence is perfect for that. Now, let's practice asking about the type of movie. You may want comedy, action, drama, or animation.
I understand. I think I like comedy and action the most. How can I ask about the type of movie in a simple way?
You can ask, "Is it a comedy or an action movie?" You can also say, "What kind of movie is it?" These questions are easy and common.
Great! What kind of movie is Sky Chase? Is it a comedy or an action movie? I think that sounds okay.
Yes, it sounds very good. Now, let's talk about tickets and prices. After you choose a movie, you usually ask how much the ticket is.
Right. I need to know the price before I buy. What should I say? I want to sound polite, not too direct.
You can say, "How much is one ticket?" or "How much is a ticket for the 7 p.m. show?" Both are polite and easy to use.
Let me practice that too. How much is one ticket for the 7 p.m. show? And do I need to say please at the end?
Yes, please is always nice. You can say, "How much is one ticket for the 7 p.m. show, please?" That makes your sentence soft and friendly.
Nice! Now I want to ask about seats too. Sometimes I want to sit in the middle, but sometimes I want to sit near the back.
That is important. You can say, "Can I choose my seat?" Then you can add, "I would like a seat in the middle," or "I would like a seat near the back."
Okay, I will try. Can I choose my seat? I would like a seat in the middle, please. Is that natural?
Yes, that sounds excellent. If the middle seats are full, the clerk may offer another place. Then you can say, "That is fine," or "Do you have a seat near the aisle?"
Ah, I see. Near the aisle is a useful phrase. I also hear people say front row and back row a lot.
Exactly. Those words are common in theaters. You can say, "I do not want the front row," if you think it is too close to the screen.
That makes sense. I usually do not like the front row because the screen feels too big. I like the middle because it is comfortable.
That is a great answer. Now, let's make your English a little longer. You can say, "I would like one ticket for the 7 p.m. action movie, and I want a seat in the middle."
Wow, that is a full sentence. I like it because it gives all the information at one time. I think it will save time at the ticket counter.
Yes, it will. The staff will understand you quickly. After that, they may ask, "Would you like anything to eat or drink?"
Yes, I want to learn that part too. I always want popcorn and a drink at the movies. How can I order them in simple English?
You can say, "I would like a small popcorn and a cola, please." You can change small to medium or large if you want more.
That sounds easy enough. I would like a medium popcorn and a bottle of water, please. Can I also ask about the prices for snacks?
Of course, you can say, "How much is the popcorn?" or "How much is a combo?" A combo usually means popcorn and a drink together.
Oh, I hear that word a lot. Combo. So I can say, how much is the popcorn and drink combo? That seems very useful.
Yes, that is perfect. If you want to choose the drink, you can add, "Can I get orange juice instead of cola?" That helps when you want a different option.
I like that sentence. Sometimes I do not want soda, so that is good for me. I also want to know how to ask if a movie has subtitles.
Good question. You can say, "Does this movie have subtitles?" Or, "Is this movie in English with subtitles?" Those are simple and clear.
That is really helpful. Sometimes subtitles help me understand more. I can listen to the English and read at the same time.
That is a smart way to learn. Movies can help your listening a lot. You hear real conversations, simple questions, and natural answers.
I am happy to hear that. I want this movie trip to be fun and also good English practice. Can we do one full practice conversation now?
Yes, let's do it. You can pretend I am the ticket clerk, and you can buy the ticket from me. Speak slowly and do not worry about mistakes.
Hello, what movies are playing this evening? I would like to watch something fun or exciting. What do I recommend?
We have a comedy at 6 p.m. and an action movie at 7 p.m. The action movie is very popular tonight. Which one would you like?
I would like one ticket for the 7 p.m. action movie, please. How much is one ticket? And can I choose my seat?
Yes, you can choose your seat. One ticket is $12. We have seats in the front, middle, and back.
I would like a seat in the middle, please. I do not want the front row because it is too close. Do you have a seat near the aisle?
Yes, we do. Seat E10 is in the middle and near the aisle. Would you like that seat?
Yes, that sounds great. I will take that seat, please. Does this movie have English subtitles?
No, this one does not have subtitles. But the actors speak clearly and the story is easy to follow. Would you like anything to eat or drink?
Yes, please. I would like a small popcorn and a bottle of water. How much is the popcorn and drink combo?
The combo is $8. It is cheaper than buying them separately. Would you like the combo instead?
Yes, I would like the combo instead, please. So the ticket is $12 and the combo is $8. The total is $20, right?
Yes, that is right. Your total is $20. You did a very good job with your English.
Thank you, Alex. That practice was very useful, and I feel much better now. I think I can buy a movie ticket in English by myself.
You absolutely can. Your questions were clear, polite, and easy to understand. You are ready for a real conversation at the counter.
I am so glad. Before we finish, can you teach me one more sentence for the end of the conversation? I want to sound friendly when I leave.
Sure, you can say, "Thank you, have a nice day." Or, "Thank you, enjoy your evening." These are simple and polite closing lines.
Perfect. I will remember that. Thank you for helping me practice today. I learned many useful expressions.
You are welcome, Sophia. You did an amazing job today, and your confidence is stronger now. Let's go get your ticket and enjoy the movie.